This video will guide you through the process of replacing the catalytic converter on your 2015 Kia Soul L4, 1.6 liters. The catalytic converter is located underneath the vehicle, between the engine and the exhaust system. Begin by removing the catalytic converter. If the engine has been running, let it cool sufficiently before starting work to avoid burns from hot parts. And always wear personal protective equipment, including rubber gloves and safety goggles, when working on a vehicle. Be sure the vehicle is on a level surface, with the engine off and the parking brake engaged. 1. Remove the engine cover. 2. Disconnect the negative battery cable from the battery. 3. Disconnect the front and rear heated oxygen sensor connectors from the electrical harness connectors on the mounting bracket. 4. Remove the oxygen sensor electrical harness connectors from the mounting bracket. 5. Use an oxygen sensor socket and ratchet wrench to remove oxygen sensor. 6. Remove the heat shield from the catalytic converter. 7. Remove the exhaust manifold nuts, securing the exhaust manifold to the cylinder head. 8. Use a jack to lift the vehicle off the ground and support the vehicle using a jack stand. 9. Remove the splash guards from underneath the vehicle. 10. Disconnect the front muffler rubber hanger. 11. Remove the front muffler from the catalytic converter. 12. Remove the downstream oxygen sensor from the catalytic converter. 13. Separate the front muffler from the center muffler assembly. 14. Remove the exhaust manifold stay. 15. Lower the vehicle. 16. Separate the exhaust manifold from the cylinder head. Finish by installing the new catalytic converter. 1. Clean cylinder head and exhaust manifold mating surfaces. 2. Install the new exhaust manifold and catalytic converter assembly with new gasket and secure using the exhaust manifold nuts. Tighten the nuts by hand first, then use a torque wrench to tighten the nuts to 21.7 to 30.4 foot-pound. 3. Reinstall the exhaust manifold cover. 4. Install the upstream oxygen sensor. 5. Reinstall the oxygen sensor electrical harness connectors on the mounting bracket. 6. Reconnect the upstream oxygen sensor to the electrical harness. 7. Use a jack to lift the vehicle off the ground and support the vehicle using a jack stand. 8. Install the exhaust manifold stay, bracket and heat shield. 9. Connect the front muffler to the center muffler assembly. 10. Connect the front muffler to the catalytic converter assembly. 11. Reconnect the front rubber hanger. 12. Install the downstream oxygen sensor. 13. Reinstall the plastic splash guards. 14. Lower the vehicle. 15. Reconnect the downstream oxygen sensor electrical connector. 16. Reconnect the negative battery cable. This concludes the procedure for replacing a catalytic converter on your 2015 Kia Soul L4, 1.6 liters. Thank you for watching.